This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lorraine Demontigny. Welcome home to Lockmar Estates. Just a short bike ride from Covenant Christian School or Lockmar Elementary. Enter through double doors into open floor plan with high ceilings and decorative plant shelves. Large 0.37 acre yard features citrus, mango, fig and avocado trees. Convenient location near shopping, I-95 and Fredley Park. Enclosed porches ducted with AC and included in living square footage. Ready for your personal touch. For more information, review the details below.